Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Modern attic bedroom design is a masterful fusion of style and functionality, turning underutilized spaces into captivating retreats that maximize the architectural charm unique to attic rooms. This design approach skillfully leverages the sloping ceilings, exposed beams, and cozy nooks to create a bedroom that exudes contemporary allure while embracing the attic's inherent character. One of the defining features of a modern attic bedroom is its ability to utilize natural light. Attic spaces often have unique window configurations, such as dormer or skylight windows, which allow sunlight to stream in at various angles. These windows become pivotal in shaping the room's ambience, adding warmth and a connection to the outdoors. Clever placement of the bed or seating areas beneath these windows allows occupants to bask in natural light, creating a sense of serenity. The sloping ceilings in attic bedrooms provide a distinct architectural challenge that, when harnessed correctly, contributes to the room's cozy atmosphere. Instead of viewing these slopes as limitations, modern design transforms them into features that enhance the room's aesthetics. Painting the ceilings and walls in a cohesive, light color palette helps visually expand the space, making it feel more open and airy. Furniture selection in a modern attic bedroom often prioritizes functionality. Space can be limited, so choosing multifunctional pieces is key. Beds with built-in storage, such as drawers or underbed compartments, provide valuable space for stashing away clutter. Built-in shelving or cabinets along the sloping walls make efficient use of every available inch. These practical design elements ensure the room remains organized and clutter-free. Color palettes in modern attic bedrooms are typically kept soft and neutral. Whites, light grays, and soft pastels create an atmosphere of tranquility and make the most of available light. Lighting is a critical component of modern attic bedroom design. Task lighting is strategically placed to ensure that no corners remain in the shadows. Wall sconces or pendant lights that can be adjusted to accommodate the sloping ceilings provide both functionality and a modern aesthetic. The layered use of lighting, including ambient, task, and accent lighting, allows the bedroom to transform from a bright and functional workspace to a cozy and romantic haven. In summary, modern attic bedroom design is a testament to the ability of contemporary design to maximize the potential of unconventional spaces. By embracing the unique architectural features, optimizing natural light, and prioritizing multifunctional elements, these bedrooms transform once-forgotten attics into stylish and inviting sanctuaries. The result is a harmonious blend of comfort, character, and contemporary aesthetics, making the most of every nook and cranny of these distinctive spaces.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!